Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32 Impex LED TV. In this TV the complaint is sound okay, no picture problem due to backlight fault. While checking here we found that backlights are working properly. Here the fault is with the motherboard. See friends, one of the capacitor in the inverter section is bulged. See, top portion of the capacitor is not flat, its top is bulged. So to repair this TV, we need to replace the faulty capacitor with new one. See friends, here we replaced the capacitor with new one. Now the work is completed. Now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now picture comes and the TV is repaired successfully. So that's it. Hope you like our channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.